Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the AI to create an ultra-realistic version of Versace logo. But not only that, I also use the same technique to create other famous logo, and actually I create a couple of Versace logos. First, let me explain why I did it. I was on Twitter the other day checking things and I saw this guy, Brandon Shepard, quite good graphic designer. He was explaining that he worked 2 weeks on a logo to make it realistic and post a video on YouTube. I think this guy is quite good at what he's doing. After that, I saw his tweet where he said that he was quite upset because he made only $400 for 2 weeks jobs. And this is where I got my idea. So this guy, which is very good in Photoshop and Illustrator, and what he's doing actually is a graphic designer. It took 2 weeks for these projects, probably not on a daily basis, like 6 hours. They probably had other jobs to do it. But anyway, he took 2 weeks in order to do it. So he was upset because he made only $400. So he used his genius in order to push the video on YouTube to make it like $70,000. Well, I might say that not bad for a 2-week job, so congratulations to him. Here at our channel, we are trying to show you how AI will impact the jobs, how AI will transform your jobs. And I find this example very good to show you the process to make almost the same ultra-realistic logos, but only with the help of AI. First, I want to make a statement. I'm not a designer. Last time that I used Photoshop it was like 15 years ago. Second, I have to work all day, and I'm a lazy person. And I don't want to spend 10 days to make this. Maybe like 4 hours stop. The third thing that I did was the strategy. I was thinking what AI tools I will need in order to make this logo. And I made a paper and I said, okay, let's use Midjourney because I already had the payment there done. Why not ChatGPT? Because it's going to help me with some of the creation of the things that I'm going to need. And I'm going to use some parts of ChatGPT on Midjourney prompts. I took my coffee and I started. First, I was playing around with Midjourney to see how I get the Medusa face, how I make it realistic, what are going to be the angle that I'm going to use, what cameras, and what weight of the image, and some other mixed, maybe blending. I knew I had to use multiple combination and multiple prompts in order to do this in 4 hours. Then I start playing. Second, I start playing with ChatGPT in order to describe me the Medusa, the mythological Greek creature. And I did get some result from ChatGPT and I did get some result from Medusa. I start working on the logo. ChatGPT said that the Medusa is a Greek mythological creepy creature with wide mouth and sharp teeth and things like this. But my vision is like I do want to make it ultra realistic, but I do not want to make it creepy or like a horror movie. Anyway, for the sake of our project, I did that too. I will leave some links in the description of the video for you to find it. After I play around with ChatGPT and Midjourney prompts and I do get some results that I wanted. Because again, I'm very lazy and I don't want to open my Illustrator and I don't want to work in Photoshop and things like this. I try to do it only with AI. And I went to Google and I went a little bit on Twitter to see what I can find. So in order to remove the background of the photos that Midjourney made it, I wanted to use an AI and I find something very interesting on the web. So I use removal AI, which is free because again, I don't want to pay it. I just want to remove the background of the photo. After that, play with it in Canva. And the results were not great, but not fantastic. I need something I needed to be more like specific on the image and the face had to be more cut. So I thought I need to use again another tool. So I find this cutout.pro, which is it's kind of like an photoshopped with AI base. They have some free products there that you can work with, but again, for me, they made it, so they helped me a lot in order to just take the face of the Medusa out and make this logo. I want to present you this logo. The first one is creepy, realistic, I don't know, horror movie, something like that. But anyway, it's like the prompt on Midjourney was like the character was a female actor and she had to play this role in this movie, so it was based on sci-fi movie and realistic things like this. And anyway, I took it after that in Canva, and I made this logo. The second one, I started to make these logos a beautiful face, so I play with some faces and character in a prompt, and in the end I use famous actors for create this logo. So this is how it get out. And the third logo, because anyway, once you do the prompts, you can multiply and just tweak it a little bit, change one word, put another word. I thought, how will Versace logo will look in the future, like in 10 years? Well, AI will rule the world, and we are cyborgs. I don't know, things like that. So I imagined this third option, which is kind of like this. It was like a cyber robot, beautiful woman, Versace logo, and great motifs on the back. I hope you enjoyed. Again, this is only for educational purpose, for you to understand how the AI will change the jobs market. How will AI will transform your future. Subscribe and like. Have a nice day.